Everyone loves to talk about one-of-a-kind projects, crazy carvings, artistic furniture, but if you want to build a profitable business, here's something I've learned. The projects that make you the most money usually aren't the most complicated. They're the ones you can build over and over again. Businesses are all about repeatability. The more you can simplify your process while maintaining quality, the more profitable your business becomes. One of the biggest advantages of the ShopSabre is simply its size. With a cutting area of 100 inches by 65 inches, we can easily place this large single piece of monkey pod directly onto the machine. That is one reason I love this machine so much, because it gives you 65 inches of cutting area on the x-axis, something none of our competitors offer on a 4x8 machine. The process is honestly fun to watch. Every pass is perfectly controlled, producing a flat, consistent surface from one end to the other. Now that we have established a perfectly flat foundation, we can simply assemble and install the steel-based frame that will support the table. And let me be the first one to tell you, flat surfaces make for fast assembly. And that, my friends, is where profit comes from. Not working harder, working smarter. The beauty of the ShopSabre isn't that it lets you make one beautiful project, it's that it lets you make the same beautiful project again tomorrow and again the next week. That's how businesses grow. Not by chasing the next flashy project, but by creating a repeatable process that delivers products customers love.